it's about 82 degrees outside. I've been driving for about 5 miles. And right now I'm gonna make a stop. Run a 15-minute stop. We're gonna check the temperature again, and then we're gonna take a 2.5-hour drive. That's gonna be a little over 100 miles, and we'll check the temperature periodically. I don't know, maybe every half hour. There's been a lot of hails and a little bit of street lights at the very end. Okay, it's 9:43. It's about 82 degrees outside. We are off to start our 100-mile trip. Temperature is almost in the middle. That's pretty much the normal operating temperature of the 3VZ. 161,166 miles. Our counter is at 23.1. So this is a non-stop 100-mile trip. Okay, it's been about half an hour. Okay. We haven't stopped driving. Those meows you might hear are my cats. Okay. Miles, and that's about 20 miles. Okay, it's 10:30. We've been driving for almost 1 hour. That's 58.3. We've been going downhill for about 5 minutes. No engine braking, just going downhill in neutral. It's almost as if the engine was just turned on this morning. Okay, we've been driving for a little bit past 1 hour and a half. It's 11:15. Okay, we are taking we're making a little pit stop at the emergency lane. Engine has never been turned off yet. 88.1. Started with a full tank of gas. We're a little bit past the first quarter. Okay. Pressure is pretty low, that's normal. And we've been here, stopped for about 4 minutes, and that's as higher as it's ever gonna get. And it just got hotter when suddenly the minute after we stopped. Okay, this is just 5 minutes of driving at about 50 miles per hour speed up with a little engine is significantly cooler. We're not going downhill or uphill, just cruising. It is a city highway, so air is a little hotter. Okay, it's 11:40. I just checked. I'm doing this by myself now. That's the temperature. It's about to hit 99. There we go. What was that? Okay, we're going at around 44 miles per hour. Engine temperature. It's doesn't get any lower than 77 anywhere on the island right now. On any highway, of course. It should be around that 77 or 78 degrees outside. Engine speed is 2,500 RPM. Around 50 miles per hour. It's 11:52, and we just saw a road sign telling us that we're about 30 miles from our destination. It's marking 112.7 miles. I think we started at 23, so that means we're just about to hit the 100-mile mark. Alright, we're cruising right now at around 55 miles per hour. Engine speed 2,500 RPM. Engine temperature for me cold. Definitely cold. Okay, it's 11:59. We just hit our first traffic light. It's green, so I'm gonna have to stop. Let's give a quick check. Temperature is extremely cold. Really, really cold. Engine speed. Miles since the last fill up. There's a complete fill. Okay, it's 12:11. We started driving at 9:43. That means we've been driving for almost 2.5 hours. We're now at a complete stop. We're at a red light. It's driving for 125 miles. That means we surpassed the 100-mile drive. Right now we're stopped. Engine temperature is getting slowly but steadily high. And now we're off. It's 12:24. I'm gonna make our first stop. At Walgreens before our final destination. After traffic lights, temperature got significantly hotter. And when we get back from a little shopping, it's gonna be exactly in the middle. Right, we have driven 128.2 miles. That means we drove 105 miles continuously, just traffic lights and one intentional pit stop, but the engine has always been on, so we've been turning, I've been turned off. Of course, all of this has been without air conditioning. There's no air conditioning yet in the truck. Parking brake is on. And engine is off. Alright, 12:37. I think I was there for at least 10 minutes. Engine is off. It's not clear, but yeah, the needle is exactly in the middle. It's still not as hot as it would get with the 3VZ, but it's there. It's almost practically there. Okay, we're gonna turn on the engine now. Perfect. See, 128.2. Okay. Brakes off, park and drive, and let's go. Okay, so we finally made it. It's 1 a.m. I had the truck off for about 10 minutes while I was unloading. Now I parked it correctly. We drove 130 miles today. We still got a little bit, a little bit more than half a tank. Truck was up for a while and now it's out on the parking, and this is just as hot as it will get anytime. That's pretty much clear after all the temperature changes throughout the night. And I'll turn off the truck now. Okay, it was a fun night, and until next time.